Welcome back to my video. So today we will be opening one of these. I don't know how to read, so I don't know what it is. You know what? Open it. Ooh, you can see my phone right here. Let's see what did I get. Hold on. Ooh. There. And how about the little thing to use on like Oh, I got it.
Si trabajamos con la familia, si necesitas ayuda con la escuela o si necesitas algo, vamos a necesitar algo to college y cuando vas a college te ayudan a comprar los libros con tu tuition.
Oh my God, that was so good.
And this is para los parents starting in the day, they have the time that these can help you. I don't know, you don't want to like they can help you. They can help the parents too. They can take it for them.
I need to fudge button. I'm not.
When you get to the classes, I think you can call them. Okay, and this is the time is como. Hay un family meeting allá en Channel 125. O si no, I think es a las 2:30.
Oh, you're the other death. Sorry, I did that. I did. Oh my!
I think it's Tuesday to Monday. And
What is it?
you should go for 2 days in a week.
I just want a little table so I can put my dog on it. So let's see what the football is.
I think in the station you can call him. I think if you ask him with a scanner.
I got whipping. So let's see, what do we need that for? So that's... Did it have to be a milkshake? I think did it with a milkshake. Did it have to be a milkshake? Open that. But open the spoon. Oh, I don't know. What did it show to you? Email show to you. I got a whipping dice. It's whipping on me, whatever. And what is this? Oh my gosh! Thank you. I got these. I don't know for the things for using lab on. And my mom just opened this one. And I don't know this. These are so cute. Are these tissues? What are these? I don't know what are they. So now we made the milkshake. So we'll just fudge and something.
This is help you to college for 2 years. They do tuition and like book it also. And they even give you free training from movies.
Oh! So I need scissors. So that. I think these have right, I don't know. What do you see? So that one. That just fire my face! That just fire my face. Did you guys saw that? I thought the other one that I made a video of. I'm just made like this. When I finish with this one, I'm just open the other one. I use that too. Can you open this? I can't even open that. Mommy! These are so little. I do so much of them. Mm. And the middle like something. Now we make it so. You need that. You need that thing so I can put in here so then I can put everything else. So. Do you see that at the bottom? It's actually wood. And in no way I put them on a towel. I can take that. I just move it. Oh my God. This is so cute. I think, yeah. Oh my God, that hurt in my hands. I had to reach super hard. Put the nut up. Oh, I messed it up. I didn't put this foot, then I can put that. Oh no! Can you please come out? I think he. It's super hard. So then let's up. Mommy, I need to wrap these ones because I have like these. I need to put it like perfectly. Boop.
No, estabas ponle dos.
Yeah. Then I think the next step is this, and I don't know what this for.
Este es para tapar el este.
Oh, and my hand is so dirty. Like the dish is dirty or so much. And then you have this. And how?
Aww.
Everything there. Okay, that. I did another. Did it for something? What the mom said. Then we do it at the wall. Ew.
No, drink it.
No, we don't know how to ring it. I don't know it is edible.
You can eat it.
No, I didn't.
You wanted me to buy you one, then you can eat it.
I know. Oh no, I did that bit. No, it was super dirty.
Es como boba. Es like
No,
boba.
boy, melt it. It doesn't know why you can eat it.
Oh my glue.
Oh, no se comen. No edible.
No,
See,
it's so sticky.
I know, right? So did it all? You put it over here. Oh, no.
No se come, be careful.
I know.
You feed them.
No, do you want to eat this? No, no. I know said that you can eat it. I said you can make it. I don't know what that's for anyways. Oh, there. I feel if I did the same thing, I'm going to be mad. Can you go to
It's different.
I got the table. Everyone would have the table. Oh yeah, I forgot. Yeah. And then we can eat this. Like that.
Oh, I think it's the same.
No more, it's different.
Are you sure?
Look at it.
Oh.
It's different.
Yo no sé hacer con el diente, no te lo voy a cortar así. So you can do it faster.
The table. Ooh.
What did you circle?
The,
Are you strawberry?
In here. Just take it out.
Oh, no.
ooh, this had to be a pie.
Pie. See, some pie. One pie, I don't know which pie it is.
I forgot what did you tell. What did you tell that then?
Let me see. Happy.
Is it limon? It's limon.
Happy some fun. I have lemon.
Okay, can you read that too? I know. I got. Oh, if it doesn't cut before you can put it on it. Here was a pie. Here was a pie bean. The fresh whipped cream again.
Yeah, let's do it.
Yeah, it is. I didn't write this down here. Got it open. Here is the pie.
You want this one? Because you already have one of you. You want two?
It's
I
the
didn't.
They're both the same.
Oh. I didn't know throw that one away. So pie. I wanted this one or this one. I want one of these ones.
You got the lemon. The lemon pie.
Yeah, but that one. Oh, that one. That one is. That one you put this and this on here. You open this.
You need that?
Yep. So here the one. Took out the whipped cream. And oh, and you're the whipped cream though. Ew. I got that. These are so tiny.
See? Yeah, I open them.
I want the other one of these. They're super tiny.
They're so cute.
I know why would I make the milkshake one.
Yeah.
I hope it doesn't like fall down. Because you know what will happen. Make a mess. Okay.
I know what's up in this one. It's so cute. Los juntos, los dos aquí les enseñé a tu bebé.
How do you...
Qué bonito.
I'm reaching it.
It's come on. There's nothing inside. Which one? I'm so sorry.
Serious? I got the...
Wait, tuvo que sale. Blob.
Oh yeah, from the guy that who bought the teeth. The
The
guy.
dentist.
Yeah. These are so cute. You should go and buy these. They are so tailed. I did one. So that one, that these. I think that I already have.
Tiene con plástico, tiene como un glofo.
Ya está saliendo todo.
Finally.
Oh, mommy. Oh my god.
Don't worry, I can watch it. Ew. He tried to find me stuff. How about we fit this and to get to the. Oh, it turned out to be like fit. Thank you.
You didn't say esto. When you finish, wash your hands.
Okay.
Because they can be chemical.
It's some chemicals.
Things.
So, oh, it came with a spoon, but it didn't came with a spoon.
You mean it says? But it came with a spoon, but it didn't come with a spoon. You sure?
No, there's nothing. So that's we to put a little. Put the whipped cream and the lemon, then that's it. So for those, that you know when it should be. So I know what I'm going to do for my pie. I wonder what flavor it is.
It's lemon.
Oh yeah,
It's lemon. Some places it's lemon. It's lemon pie.
yo.
It looks like the picture.
I don't know how you do.
No, first you have to put the limes.
No, what
Oh,
is
really? Also, you have to put one.
No, I don't know how to do it with like the pizza.
Okay, no, right now.
We can do it how we want to. So the, I just came back for doing and you made food.
Big fat blob. Whoa. I gotta put them in the middle.
They made a C.
What? Oh, see. A plea. Maybe you put it in the middle, a C.
And put the Dino on top of it. Yeah, that's what you do.
And see it. Look here. Also, the camera. Look like that. My way.
My way, highway, I don't know how to chant though. It is so easy, but it's kind of hard to wrap the little food.
Get outside.
But if you eat it, you will die.
Whoa. Why are you putting all the lemons?
Do you want to?
Those are like magnets.
But you think y'all.
They're not magnets, you know.
I know. I don't know. Oh, and I put all the whipped
Oh, you
cream.
should have done it like a C too. You shouldn't put like the lemons or C like that.
I didn't have enough piece.
That looks so nice. That one's so squished like it's dying.
I finished it.
Let me say, you should put them on the table and show them. To get it like both and show both of them at the same time. No, you first have to put this one, remember?
then look at them. Hold on, you can keep going. Like this.
Here, get the one. And
Hurry up because I might fall down.
now show yours. Now show yours fast. Show yours. No, with the teeth like this.
Don't you? It's ripping!
Oh, that looks so way much cooler. It's like you know when those people overfill the drinks and then they drip and then like, oh, shut up, you go dripping. Shut up. No, that's right. Oh wait, what?
Oh, don't do that.
Okay, that looks cooler now. Oh, here's this. I should yeah. Just show, I know what to do.
Oh yeah, that's it. Here.
Oh no, that's what we.
I'm going to eat one of these.
Take a picture in front, Star. Be in front. Yeah, it's good.
So this is all for today. When you take a picture.